Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Guys, excellent news on the annual chart. XRP is still trending upwards, having increased in value by 48% this year, despite recent reversals on shorter periods. Is it true, as the US government has asserted, that Ripple deliberately prolonged legal processes so that XRP could continue to be sold? Last but not least, I'll go through the details of how non-accredited investors can participate in the upcoming initial public offering of shares of Ripple that Wall Street financial expert Linda Jones recently shared with the cryptocurrency community. Stay with me, I'm almost done. For information. If this sounds like something that would pique your curiosity, don't hesitate to watch this brand new video. Because of the market turmoil on July 13, XRP lost a lot of ground that day. Despite the setback, XRP has increased by 48% this year, according to the annual chart. Alex Cobb, the XRP community's leader, first brought this reality to light as the market's bullish sentiment was falling. A graph of the yearly price fluctuations of XRP from 2013 to 2023 was produced by Cobb. If we take a closer look at XRP's annual performance over the previous decade, we can see the incredible growth of the asset. Since January of 2013, XRP has been on the rise, as depicted by the graph. Notably, XRP had a massive increase of 366% by the end of 2013. However, a decline in value of almost 86% occurred between 2014 and 2016 as a result of a correction in the asset. Nonetheless, XRP maintained a portion of its 2013 growth. In 2017, XRP experienced its breakout year, growing at a staggering 33.00% from its beginning price of 67 cents to its closing price of $1.99. In January of 2018, the asset's value, buoyed by the 2017 upswing, reached $3.32. Despite the promising outcomes, XRP started to experience fluctuations. Legal pressure from the SEC litigation stymied attempts to set new all-time highs during the bull market of 2021. XRP continues its upward trajectory despite the setback. The asset's recent rise has helped provide even more of a boost. Unexpectedly, XRP has risen by 48% since the beginning of 2023, making it one of the top gainers so far this year. Among the most popular cryptocurrency assets, XRP outperforms Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, and Dogecoin. Ethereum's growth this year was 36%, whereas ADA's was only 3.5%. There has been a 12% drop in BNB and a 9% drop in Doge this year. The bullish momentum of XRP as seen from this perspective is tremendous. The recent drop from the 93-cent high has hurt investor confidence. The purpose of the Cobb's revelation is to boost long-term faith in XRP. After reviewing the yearly chart, another member of the XRP community expressed optimism that the asset is about to rally. Compared to the previous week, the price of XRP has decreased by 1.27%, or 47 cents. The SEC has also filed a memorandum reply brief in support of his motion to certify an interlocutory appeal, as was previously noted. Note that the most recent document, a reply memo, is a certification request for an appeal review and that the SEC is engaged in a legal battle with Ripple. The SEC claims in the complaint that although having an institutional interest in swiftly settling the issue, Ripple has a different objective. The SEC has stated that the issues raised by the court's order on summary judgment are precisely the kind of noxious legal questions that led Congress to allow for interlocutory review, and has therefore respectfully requested certification for appellate review. The securities regulator has also claimed that Ripple is deliberately dragging out the litigation to keep pumping XRP into the market. You may recall that on July 13 a court ruled that XRP and other rewards from the Ripple's program did not meet the definition of securities. The SEC voiced its displeasure with the ruling and said the order poses legal difficulties. The SEC, however, claimed that Ripple was not institutionally invested in reaching a favorable resolution to the case. The legal proceedings will be prolonged, it was said, so that Ripple and its management can continue selling XRP to the public. To back up his plea to put an end to further litigation in the matter, the SEC argues that the verdict will assist protect the resources of the parties in court. Therefore, the SEC asks the court to let its interlocutory appeal and put the matter on hold until the appeal is properly adjudicated so that XRP can continue to be sold into public markets, which the SEC has implicitly admitted is necessary. The SEC stressed that the defendants who have already committed to doing so wish to delay the resolution of this litigation. Despite Ripple's own use of delay tactics throughout the trial, the SEC accuses it of trying to drag things out. Since the SEC has been using legal stalling tactics, and since there is a legal disagreement about the copies of William Hemmon's controversial Beach, Ripple has brought these issues to light. The SEC's charges against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, executives at Ripple, are well-known outstanding issues in the complaint. The SEC has moved to certify an interlocutory appeal and has asked the court to stay further proceedings in the complaint pending the outcome of the appeal. The trial has been scheduled for the second quarter of 2024. Therefore, the trial will not begin until all interlocutory appeals have been heard and decided. If this SDCC motion to halt further proceedings is granted by the court, the step would extend the time it takes to resolve the lawsuit. Stuart Alterity, chief legal officer of Ripple, was among the first prominent cryptocurrency figures to respond to the SEC's latest filing, tweeting on Saturday that the SEC has taken a hypocritical turn by arguing that an appeal is needed to address issues that are not a legal issue in the Ripple case, despite SEC Chair Gary Gensler's previous assertion that crypto regulations are clear and must be followed. Meanwhile, Ripple's backers have flocked to the X platform to discuss the SEC's allegations there. A proponent of XRP noted yesterday that the SEC's allegation was conventional, but yesterday, Neil Hardner, the developer of Ripple's on-demand liquidity, expressed surprise at the SEC's assertion in a tweet. The primary concern is how individuals who do not meet the definition of accredited investor can still buy Ripple stock prior to its IPO. If you want to be among the first to know about any XRP-related updates, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Jones recently discussed Lincoln's arrangement for folks who do not have the requisite net worth to purchase Ripple shares as an accredited investor. This is a Reg D transaction. The only goal is to allow people who are not accredited investors to buy Ripple shares before the IPO. Jones stresses the scarcity of the inventory and urges the locals to act immediately. According to the latest information, the LMGTO offering will begin this week on either Monday or Wednesday. Investors looking to purchase Ripple shares must put down a minimum of $5,000. The first thing to do is sign up for an account on the LE and GTL platform. According to Jones, the next step is for interested parties to send money to the Uphold platform and keep it there. Daily cost, $2,499. According to Jones, the LE and GTO will validate the user following the monetary transaction. In the third phase, using the LI Inc. 2 application, the $2,499 must be moved from Uphold to LA and GTO. Jones urges potential participants to take immediate action. The reason the funds are sent to Uphold before they are sent to LE and GTO is to speed up the confirmation procedure, which is especially crucial because of Uphold's transfer cap. Donors who are unhappy with the process as a whole can send money to LinkedIn directly from their bank accounts. Hovens warned that it might take 3 days for the money to show up in the beneficiary's account. However, in the fourth phase, potential participants must check their inboxes or download the app on Monday to read a message. The deadline to send the email is this coming Wednesday, September 13th. By then, you will be able to buy Ripple stock. Alternatively, LinkedIn accepts wire transactions. Jones underlined that shares can sell before the fund is confirmed, but a Wall Street expert denied that the release constituted financial advice, she advised potential investors to carefully consider their risk tolerance before making any commitments. So, ladies and gentlemen, the video is over. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications. See you soon, bye.